Hello, in this video I'm going to go over our new feature, which is our custom CD values, where CD is the duration factor for ASD wood design. And the reason we implemented this feature is quite a few areas, especially in mountainous areas, uh, require a lower CD value for snow when there's high snow loads. So just as an example here, I picked a location in Alpine County, California. So this is, if I look Alpine County code in California, and if I scroll down just a bit, I can see here they've got the CBC, the California Building Code, is amended to say for areas with a roof snow load of greater than 150 PSF, no stress increases are allowed per the CBC. And then reference the NDS section 2.3.2, so the load duration table. So with that, the way I can change this, if I go into my project defaults, I'll see that right now my load duration factor is right here. It's 1.15 for snow. That's what's typically specified by the NDS, which is the wood design standard. But like I said, so higher CD value increases the strength, lower CD value decreases the strength. If we look here, no stress increases are allowed per CBC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this 1.0. And once that's done, that's it. My CD value is going to get taken as 1.0 in every calculation that I have. Maybe I want actually 160 PSF snow load just to respect the code there. You can see my elevation shows up as well as my wind speed and my seismic design parameters. That's all based on the address, but that's a separate feature. Now, going back to the CD snow. So it's 1.0. If I go now and create a wood beam, and let's make it a rafter. Going to click X here, and I've got a fair bit. Now, my snow load right now is 30 PSF on here. I'm going to make this 200 just to show an example. So obviously it's not passing. Let's just go for a glulam beam in this case. We'll just pick something that passes, say, grade 24F 1.8E, and looks like if we wanted a 5 1/8 by 7.5 passes. All good. All that to say, if I now look, I can see that it's going to be my snow load that governs. So I can see my snow load duration factor is 1.0. And if I look, my D plus S is 1.0 for the snow load factor. I can see by far that's got the highest moment. So that's what's governing my design. Now, let's say just I wanted to test it out, or maybe the jurisdiction I'm in has even more specific requirements. Maybe instead of 1.0, it's 1.12. If I go back now to this one, you'll see that the gear icon showed up. So it automatically updated my CD value. And if I go to my load combination analysis, you'll see the 1.12. And my D plus S snow load combination also works with the 1.12. It also works for the 0.75L plus 0.75S is 1.12 as well. So that's it. I hope that this clears up a little bit how to use this cool feature. Like I said, this will mostly be useful in areas in the mountains. I believe Utah, for instance, the building code also requires a change like this. Reach out if you've got any questions. You can always contact us clicking on the little paper plane here, and it'll send us an email. We'll be happy to answer. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.